Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mata. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. And if you're watching it, you have not subscribed yet, please take a second and join the family. So today ingredients, we're going to make green beans with tofu. Let's begin.
So we have green beans, we have bell pepper, we have onions, and we have tofu. So the one that you're looking for is the one that's safe farm. So those are the ingredients. And now you wash your hand. And just mix it with your hand.
After you finish mixing it, you put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Just keep checking it. But if you need more time, you can leave it an hour. But just keep checking it every 5 minutes.
Now we're going to start frying the onions and the bell pepper. So this is the pot. It's going to heat it up. And then I'm going to bring the onions and the bell peppers here. So we have oil. I'm going to use that. Onions and the bell pepper.
You're gonna voice over, right? Why? Because we're talking right now, so.
We're going to use bay leaf. Yeah. We'll wait until it turns brown, and then we add the bell pepper. So just leave it like at least 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes. Now it's turning gold or brown, whichever you prefer. So we'll wait like for 5 minutes, but between that 5 minutes you keep mixing it so it doesn't get burned. And then after that we just add the bell pepper. So give it like 5 minutes. We are going to add garlic and spoon. And then the bell pepper. You can hear the sound. It's so, it smells so good. Like, smells so good. So after it sauteed a little bit, we're going to blend it out. I'm going to add a little bit of salt so it can mix it with the flavor. And now I'm going to add a little bit of my favorite seasoning. Just going to season up for now. And then we'll just mix it up. Just take a second and just listen to the sound. So we'll give it 5 minutes and then we're going to blend it out. We're going to make like a little paste. So we're going to take everything out and we just blend it out. It's the final touch. Ta-da! It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells fantastic.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.